some good news today from Prince George's County Public Schools. They say they are having success with filling a teacher shortage that 7 News has reported on for years.
Maryland Bureau Chief Brad Bell joins us now from Largo. Brad, you've been at the forefront of tracking this issue. What have you learned about where things stand now?
Yeah, well, they are getting better, and it was at a low point. And this was one of those things that really impacts the education of children. They had huge numbers of classrooms in this community that did not have full-time assigned teachers, but things have gotten better.
Prince George's County Public School leaders and County Executive Aisha Braveboy are boasting that they've dramatically reduced the teacher shortage. It had been among the most severe in the state, with more than 1,000 vacancies in the 2022-23 school year, meaning nearly 10% of classrooms lacked a full-time teacher. The head of the teachers union said Thursday it was so bad then she felt the system was on the verge of collapse, and at the time, system leaders wouldn't even admit the shortage was as bad as it was. Now, interim superintendent Sean Joseph says the shortage now stands at 280, thanks to revamped hiring practices and simply being honest about the need.
One of the first things we did when we came into the district was we put dashboards up because we said we can't manage a secret. And for too long, we had too many vacancies in our most vulnerable schools. And by putting a dashboard up and monitoring closely, we were able to fill positions with strong candidates. And we're seeing the benefits in a very smooth year.
Yeah, and some of the evidence of that is that I have not really been hearing from parents, as I did before, that their kids, lacked a full-time teacher, that they were having rotating substitutes. So that just doesn't seem to be happening. They're continuing to recruit. They hope to hire as many as 1,000 new teachers next year, because there will be some new vacancies as well, and that process is starting right now. In Largo, Brad Bell, 7 News.
All right, Brad, so who have they been able to hire, and are they all experienced and certified teachers?
No, the short answer is they are not. They've been able to hire people from other jurisdictions. They've also been able to bring in some cases, some displaced federal workers that are looking for a new start in their career. And one of the concerns this community has had, the school district has had, is teachers who are not fully certified, and they are in the classroom. They're called conditionally certified. At the depths of the pandemic and the height of the shortage, there was a waiver that they were allowing these uncertified teachers to teach. We asked today specifically how many of those are still in the classrooms, and it was a big number, 1,000. So again, nearly about 10% of the number of teachers in the community currently uncertified, but they are working with them. They have 5 years once they start working to get that certification.